Find the value of A equals square root of 11 plus square root of 40. Okay, so pause the video and try to answer before watching my solution. So we want to simplify this in terms of square root and then plus the integer. Okay, so therefore, so square root of 11 plus square root of 40, that is equal to square root of A plus square root of B, and then we want to find the value of A and B. Okay, so to simplify, we can square both sides of this equation so that the square root and the square will cancel out. Okay, so cancel the square and then the square root. So we have 11 plus square root of 40. That is equal to, we apply the square of binomial to the right side. So we have square of binomial x plus y squared. That is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Okay, so let's apply this. So we have squared the first term. So square root of a is squared plus twice the product of the first and the second. So square root of A times square root of B plus square of the second term. So we have square root of B squared. And then we simplify square root and then square. So that will cancel out. So we have A plus, so let's multiply this. So we have 2 square root of A times square root of B. We have square root of AB plus, so cancel the square and the radical. So we have B. Now let's equate the coefficients of the terms with the integer and then terms with the square root. Okay? So we have integer is 11 and then we have A and then B. So therefore, we have A plus B is equal to 11. So this will be our equation 1. And then for the terms with radical, so we have 2 square root of AB. So we have 2 square root of AB is equal to square root of 40. Okay, so we have two equations, so we can now solve the value of A and B. So let's simplify the equation number 2. We can write square root of 40 as square root of 4 times 10. 4 times 10 is 40. And then we distribute the radical. Square root of 4 times 10, that is square root of 4 times square root of 10. And then square root of 4, that is equal to 2. So we have 2 square root of 10. And then we can now divide both sides by 2. So that the 2 will just cancel out. So therefore, we have square root of AB is equal to square root of 10. So we can square both sides to cancel the radical. So square both sides. Therefore, AB is equal to 10. So we have AB is equal to 10. So just by inspection, we can easily solve the values of A and B. So by inspection, A plus B equals 11. A times B equals 10. So therefore, A and B are 10 and 1. Because 10 times 1, that is equal to 10. And then 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So therefore, square root of A plus square root of B, that is equal to square root of 10 plus square root of 1, which is square root of 1 is 1. So therefore, the correct answer is letter A, square root of 10 plus 1. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. So see you in my next video about Math Olympiad. Bye-bye and God bless.